In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your default Google account in Chrome. This is particularly useful if you manage multiple Google accounts on a daily basis and want to streamline your workflow. Without further ado, let's dive straight into the process. First, you'll want to open Google Chrome on your computer. This is an important step since the browser is designed to work seamlessly with Google services. Once Chrome is open and ready, navigate to Google's homepage by typing google.com into the address bar at the top of your browser. Press enter and you'll be taken directly there. This is the central hub for your Google activities and the place where we're going to make some critical adjustments to your account settings. Now take a look at the top right corner of the page. You should see your profile picture there, which indicates the Google account currently signed in. Go ahead and click on that profile picture. What you're doing here is checking which account is set up as your current default. It's always the first account that was signed in, so it's good to be aware of this when you're using multiple accounts. With that in mind, the next step is to sign out from all of your accounts. This might seem a bit drastic, but it's necessary to reset the settings. Click on your profile picture again, and from the drop-down menu, you'll see the option to sign out of all accounts. Click this option to proceed. This action will ensure that you'll have a clean slate to work with and guarantee that the account you're going to choose next becomes the default one. Following the successful sign out, you'll need to sign back into the account you wish to set as your default. Simply look for the sign in button, which should be visible right where your profile picture was. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Make sure to choose the Gmail account you aim to designate as your default first. Enter your email address and password carefully. Then complete the sign-in process by following any other on-screen instructions. It's crucial to understand that the first account you sign in with after signing out of all your accounts will automatically assume the role of the default account in Chrome and across all other Google services. This means whenever you open Gmail, Google Drive, or any other Google application, it will default to this account, making it simpler for you to stay organized and efficient. And that's it. By following these steps, you've set your preferred Google account as the default in Chrome, and you should now find it much easier to manage your daily tasks. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Stick around for more tips and tutorials to improve your productivity.